Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of this 2021 Grady-White 180 Fisherman. This particular boat is powered by a Yamaha 154 stroke with the engine flush. Also has the swim platform with ladder off the back and trim tabs. As we make our way through, the helm seat, flip-flop helm seat. Here at the tilt wheel steering, here's your trim tab control with indicator, shifter, Yamaha digital gauge, and a big area to put your electronics. Also has a compass. Coming around, you'll have a spot for your fire extinguisher to mount here. And up in the bow, you've got a seating with backrest forward, a big casting deck, and a separate anchor locker. This concludes the walkthrough of the 2021 Grady-White 180 Fisherman. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.